you like to have an AI that's specifically designed to make you money? ChatGPT is great. I love ChatGPT, and there's of course DeepSeek now. There's a whole bunch of other ones, but all of these things they aren't designed specifically with making money in mind. They are designed as general use systems. What if you had a chatbot that was specifically designed to create stuff to make you money? That is what my friend and mentor Michael Chaney's put together in AI franchise. A very, very different system than you usually see. And I've got all the details for you. It's coming up right after this. Okay, we're looking right now at the sales page for AI franchise. This is again from Michael Chaney. Now, Michael has gotten really into AI. I think it was actually my influence because before I worked with Michael, he didn't really care much for AI. He really wasn't interested in it. And now all of his launches since I worked with him on my own product have all been about AI. So I think I kind of gave him the bug for AI. Um, and Michael may tell me, Eric, you don't know what you're talking about, but that's my theory. Anyway, but bottom line is that he's really gotten into this whole thing. And what he did here is really, really interesting. Instead of your usual AI system, where you basically are going to go ahead and um, give it something very generic and it's very broad based. This is an AI system that is designed specifically about making you money and specifically making money on places like Warrior Plus and JVZoo. So that's what's really, really cool about the system is that it does offer these things which you're not going to find elsewhere. So basically, I'm going to show you the members area in just a second how it actually works. But basically, what it's designed to do is to take a sales letter from a particular product and just copy paste the sales letter in, and it actually generates a custom bonus for you based on the sales letter. It'll generate custom emails that you can write based on the sales letter, based on you personally, what you like to do. So it's a really, really interesting system. Now, of course, this would not be a man in that review without there being some kind of additional content that would really, really make it pop for you. Uh, yes, thank you for doing your little hat trick over there. That was very, very nice. But we're talking about me right now. We're not talking about you. I know you're the man in the hat also. Yeah, you really like that hat. I find it very inspiring. Love the hat trick. But right now, let's talk about me, not about you. Okay? Thank you. But seriously. So let's go ahead and check out some of my bonuses. Now, unlike in previous times, I created all brand new bonuses this time, which I think are very, very exciting. This is stuff that I've never given away, stuff that I don't think you're actually going to find a lot of elsewhere because these are pretty unique uh, ideas that I haven't seen anybody else talking about. So first and foremost, I mentioned in the intro that a lot of people are getting excited about DeepSeek. This is, of course, a Chinese AI bot that has skyrocketed in popularity. It's become very popular and become something that people are saying, oh, this thing can rival ChatGPT and Gemini and Anthropic's Claude, all these things. Now, that got me kind of thinking, like, well, if that's what's coming out of China, what else is coming out of China? So I actually put together a video that discusses four other Chinese um, AIs. These are all very specifically Chinese AIs, but they're very, very, very interesting stuff. So the first of the Chinese AIs, you can see, I kind of like grabbed a video of it. Um, I kind of grabbed a video of it um, from the website of the AI that I did. And basically what this does, it's a video AI, similar to Sora from ChatGPT. The videos are actually really hyper realistic, though. Very, very nicely done. Something that I haven't really seen from a lot of the other video generators. Better quality than I've seen from a lot of them. It is very much a Chinese chatbot, though. I also found two Chinese chatbots that are similar to ChatGPT or DeepSeek, but again, not those, and tested them out. Really, very, very impressed with what they were able to put together. I tested them with making long form videos, all about, well, my favorite subject, entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yes, thank you very much. That's very, very kind of you, Liz. That's nice of you to say, but right now let's talk about this, okay? Not about you. Seriously. So actually not really about entrepreneurship. It was about how to make money online. But you know, that's the idea. Anyway. So and then the last one was a really, really interesting AI that I found that actually will allow you to chat with personalities. You can actually create your own personality, or you can chat with personalities. So for example, you can chat with Elon Musk, you can chat with Donald Trump, or you can also have like all kind of not safe for work, shall we say, type of discussions as well. It's stuff that's a bit more steamy. It was a really, really an interesting AI. Again, these are all Chinese AIs that I found very, very interesting. Now, of course, you're going to say to me, Eric, well, that's really, really nice that you gave me, you know, these things with 4 different Chinese AI systems. But you know what, Eric, I still want more than just that, because after all, 4 of them, that's pretty crappy, isn't it?
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Yeah, I know you like crap, but I don't, and these people don't. And frankly, I don't think you do either. I think that is just a defense mechanism that you're putting in. I really resent it when you say that. But seriously, I am definitely not done yet. So another one that I actually did was a way of discovering new AI bots. This one's really, really cool. Basically, uh, when DeepSeek became so popular, one of the reasons that became so popular is because of rankings. I actually found a website that actually ranks AI bots. There's hundreds of them listed, and you can actually see the current rankings. You can also test them all out, play with all of them to see what they actually do. So it's a really, really interesting system that you're not going to find elsewhere. That I think a lot of people don't know about. A lot of people have heard about DeepSeek, but they don't know about where DeepSeek was actually ranked. This is actually the ranking system for DeepSeek, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. It is completely free. It allows you to chat with hundreds of different AI systems and test them out for you. But we're still, of course, not done yet. Another one that I actually created for you creates consistent characters of AI images. So you actually tell it what kind of a character you want. You see on my website a sample of the character that I created from it. And it actually will go ahead and create consistent characters for you. But of course, we are definitely not done yet. Another one that I found for you that I thought was really, really exciting actually is creates scientific papers. So all kind of articles on various scientific subjects. Very, very cool stuff. Again, very different than what you're going to see from a lot of other people. Nobody's talking about these things. It also is able to create other kind of specific use papers. So for example, grant proposals. Grant proposals, by the way, you can make a ton of money from grant proposals. A lot of people don't realize this. A smaller nonprofits won't have somebody who knows how to write a grant, and they need people to write grants, and they will pay $1,000 for you to write a grant proposal for them, because they know they're going to turn around and submit that, and then hopefully make $100,000 for whatever project it is they want to create. This particular AI will actually allow you to create those things. Obviously, you want to edit it a little bit, and fancy it up, make sure it looks good. before you give it to your customer, but you can make a ton of money doing that stuff. I actually used to do this myself, that's why I know about it. And the final one that I found for you is actually an AI that's designed to create actual games. It will generate code for you. We can actually copy out and use for games. It is a bit primitive, but I thought it was really, really cool. And again, so we actually have here 1 to 9 different brand new products that I created for you with this new bonus, 9 different bonuses that are included for you. So let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick over here. You can see here, it's just like all of Cheney's products, they're pretty easy to use, very, very straightforward. Over here, you can see meet the AI. That's just going to tell you a little bit about the AI. What you really want to do here is go to get lead magnet. This is actually pretty cool. So I chatted with it a little bit, and I asked it to make me a lead magnet for AI franchise, of course. So it asked me to go ahead and copy and paste the sales letter. So I actually did that. I went to the actual website for AI franchise. I simply copied and pasted, copied all this text from here, pasted it into the chatbot. And you can see here that's all been pasted in. And then it said, okay, let me go ahead and create some content for you. And it actually allowed me to make lead magnets. Okay, so it actually creates ideas for lead magnets for you. They can go ahead and make, obviously, this is already creating one because I already told it what I wanted. And it created a comprehensive lead magnet for me, but you can actually feed it something else. And you don't have to use this just obviously for Cheney's project. You can use it for anything, and it'll actually create the lead magnets for you. The other thing it's going to do for you is create social posts, and it's going to actually ask you questions about, obviously it's not doing that because I already told it, but it asks you for your things that your hobbies, as well as names of any pets that you might have. It actually incorporates those things in. So I told it that I like museums, I like the symphony, I like to cook. I told it about my 2 cats, and it actually goes and incorporates those into the social media that it created for me. So really, really a very, very nicely done AI system that actually will create this stuff for you step by step. Again, and you can use this for any product from Warrior Plus or JVZoo or ClickBank. Tell it what it is. It'll actually create the social media for you. It'll create the lead magnet for you. So very, very different than what you're going to see from a lot of other stuff that's out there, especially when the price is $10. And with all of my bonuses, this one is pretty much a no-brainer. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product video.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, huge tip of my hat. This one is awesome. Pretty much like all of Cheney's products, really, really nicely done. Very, very good, and really provide you with a lot of value. So get this one. This is good. You're going to love it.